Hello friends. Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to make threads using Hole Wizard. So let's start the video. First we have create a nut model. Follow the same procedure that I am doing. We already make many model. If you are interested, you can visit our channel. Click on Hole Wizard option. Here you can see first option as Hole Wizard. This is for creating holes. The second option is about the advanced hole. Third one is thread. Fourth is a stud wizard, which we can design like this. But now we are designing this thread, not a stud. So click on thread option. Now we have to give some specifications to our nut for creating threads. Here we have to give thread location. For thread location, click on this edge. This is the thread created, but not showing properly. Select the end condition as up to selection. Now select this end edge. Threads are preparing. It will take some time because the size is too small. Select the specification as metric die. And we are going to select the size of M36:2. It gives the proper visualization of threads. You can see that threads are properly shown. Click on Right. Here we have successfully created threads on a nut. Thank you.